Hey guys, welcome to my channel, my must kitchen once again. Christmas is knocking at the door and my today's recipe is Christmas fruitcake. I have already uploaded the video of soaking dry fruits in alcohol a month back. I'm going to use that today while preparing Christmas cake. So let's move to my must kitchen to prepare Christmas fruitcake. To prepare Christmas fruitcake, we need these ingredients. 150 grams all-purpose flour, 150 grams brown sugar, 150 grams butter, 4 eggs, half cup almond powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 pinches of nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, zest of 1 lemon, zest of 1 orange, 20 grams walnut, 20 grams pistachio, 20 grams almond, 20 grams cashew nuts. We'll cut these dry fruits into small pieces. Finally, the dry fruits soaked in alcohol. The link to this preparation has been given in the description box. Line a baking tray with butter paper. Sieve flour, baking powder, nutmeg powder, cinnamon powder together. Strain the butter till airy and fluffy. Add brown sugar and beat together. Add eggs one by one and keep beating. Add orange and lemon zest. Whisk it again. Add flour mixture to the batter bit by bit and fold gently. No more whisking from this point onwards. Now add almond powder and fold into the mixture. Almond powder helps keep the cake moist. Now add the chopped dry fruits. Mix it gently. Now add the dry fruits which have been soaked in alcohol a month back. Keep adding it bit by bit. If you find excess alcohol, then you can strain it. Look at the density. The Christmas cake batter is always more dense than other cakes. Fill the batter in the lined baking tray. Push in the corners and spread evenly on the top. This is a 9 by 5 inch baking tray. Now we will bake it in a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade for 2 hours. Friends, I hope you like the recipe. This is a must-have cake during Christmas and it's a perfect treat for friends and family during this festive season. Thank you very much for watching my Must Kitchen. If you like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.